You give it a goal, and it figures out the steps, finds the tools, and gets to work. No follow-up prompts, no babysitting. That's the promise of Auto-GPT, the AI agent that's making regular chatbots look prehistoric. Welcome back to AITHORITY, where we dive into the AI tools changing how we work, create, and think. Today, we're exploring Auto-GPT, a breakthrough concept in autonomous AI. Unlike ChatGPT, which responds to one prompt at a time, Auto-GPT can set sub-goals, loop through tasks, access tools, take real-world actions. It's a shift from chatbot to agent, and it's the next step in AI evolution. Let's unpack how it works, what it can do, and why you'll probably be using something like it in the next 12 months. What is Auto-GPT? Auto-GPT is an autonomous AI agent built using large language models like GPT-4, but with memory, logic loops, and tool access layered on top. Instead of giving it one command, you give it a goal. Example, research 3 profitable product ideas for solopreneurs and create a basic marketing plan for each. Then Auto-GPT does the rest, iterating, researching, generating content, and reporting back with results. Think of it like giving a task to a smart intern who never gets tired and doesn't need constant direction. How Auto-GPT works, simplified. Here's what happens under the hood. Goal set. You give it an objective, not just a prompt. Self-prompting. It breaks that goal into smaller subtasks. Looping. It creates a task list, executes each one, and updates the plan based on progress. Memory. It stores context, results, and its own past attempts. Tool access. It can use APIs, browse the web, write files, run code, even access a terminal. So it's not just reactive, it's strategic. Real-world use cases. 1. Business research. Want to analyze a market or competitor? Auto-GPT can crawl websites, scrape data, compare prices, summarize insights. Example, identify the top 5 e-commerce niches. On Etsy, summarize competitor strategies and suggest a launch plan. No prompt chaining, just one goal. 2. Content creation. Auto-GPT can outline blogs, research keywords, draft posts, edit for tone and SEO. Creators use it to generate multi-part content in one session, including images via DALL-E or Mid-Journey plugins. 3. Coding tasks. Developers are using Auto-GPT for refactoring code, debugging, generating documentation. Even building basic apps or scripts autonomously, it can run its own code, detect issues, and rerun with fixes without a human watching. 4. Personal automation. Want to plan a trip, optimize your calendar, or generate a budget? Give it the end goal. Plan a 7-day Bali itinerary, including surf lessons, yoga, and vegan restaurants under $1,500. Auto-GPT will build it step by step, without needing multiple prompts. Auto-GPT versus ChatGPT. ChatGPT is great for conversation. Auto-GPT is great for execution. Feature ChatGPT Auto-GPT prompt style. ChatGPT, one prompt at a time. Auto-GPT, goal-driven looped prompts. Tool access. ChatGPT, limited with plugins. Auto-GPT, APIs, files, browser terminal. Memory. ChatGPT, session-based. Auto-GPT, long-term, file-based. Autonomy. ChatGPT, reactive. Auto-GPT, proactive planning. Usability. ChatGPT, polished UI. Auto-GPT, CLI technical setup so far. Limitations and risks. Auto-GPT is powerful, but still early. Too autonomous. Sometimes it runs in circles or gets stuck. Costly. Every loop and API call costs tokens. It can rack up bills fast. Security. If given too much power, like shell access, it can execute dangerous commands. Lack of judgment. It doesn't really understand your intent. It follows instructions literally. Setup complexity. Most versions still require GitHub installs and command line interfaces. Think of it as a brilliant, slightly reckless intern. Amazing, but you need to check their work. Alternatives to Auto-GPT. Since Auto-GPT exploded, other AI agents have entered the scene. Agent GPT, browser-based Auto-GPT with UI Super AGI, a modular open-source AI agent builder. OpenAI Assistance API, structured agents inside GPT-4, LangChain plus Baby AGI, DevE-friendly frameworks for autonomous flows. And now in 2025, we're seeing these agents show up in tools like Notion, Zapier, Microsoft Copilot. The age of AI agents isn't coming. It's already here. Auto-GPT is a glimpse into what's next. AI that doesn't just answer, but acts. This shift to autonomous agents is going to change how we build, research, plan, and even think. If you're excited or a little freaked out, make sure you subscribe to AI Authority. Drop a comment. What's the first task you'd hand off to an AI agent if you could? And join us tomorrow as we wrap up Week 1 with What's Next in AI? 7 Emerging Trends That Could Reshape 2025.